How can smarter solutions help rebuild American manufacturing and infrastructure with chemistry? Manufacturing in America is continuing to expand thanks to more than $200 billion in total announced investments in nearly 350 new chemical industry projects, which is helping to create tens of thousands of new jobs. This surge in U.S. manufacturing will add more than 1 million new chemical and plastics shipments each year by 2030. To support this tremendous growth, Washington will need to do its part by adopting policies that can help maximize our transportation infrastructure. Policies that will improve the competitiveness and reliability of our freight rail network and enhance the productivity of our ports and highways. Washington can also help harness the power of chemistry and the growth of chemical manufacturing by promoting innovative, affordable, and resilient options to help rebuild the nation's infrastructure. This also includes supporting the use of recycled materials and building out the country's electric vehicle infrastructure. Rebuilding with chemistry. We can help make our nation's infrastructure and economy stronger than ever.